Welcome to another Craftify AI tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about our products and services. Here we are starting in the dashboard. To get to our products and services area, you can either click Create New above here and choose Product or Service, or on the left-hand side you'll see Products and Services here. To start off, we're going to have a few different options. You can either link a new product, a new service, or you can import your products. Clicking Import Products will show us a pop-up, and we'll be able to see where we can drag and drop a CSV file which you have to download from your website. Now, if you have a website like Shopify, for example, you can download all of the information on your products that you've already uploaded into your Shopify account and then drop them in here. And Craftify can read that information and do all of your products and services at one time. However, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new product or service in a different way. So you can also click New Product. And here we have a few prompts that we need to add, and then we can get started. So we can either analyze your website's product page. So if you have a specific product page to create to show your product that we want to highlight today, or if you don't have a product page, no problem. If you have a website that you admire or a competitor's website that has a similar product to what you want to create, you can use that and pop that in here. Or if you don't have a product page at all, don't worry, you can also enter all of this information manually. For today's tutorial, we're going to work on analyzing the website's product page. I'm just going to pop in my product page here and ask Craftify to analyze that page. Now we'll see that in just a few short seconds, Craftify is going to read that information and pop it all in here. What's great is this is the information that I have on my website. So Craftify has downloaded all of that information to put it in here, and we're going to go ahead and select and go forward with this. By clicking next, we can now edit all of the information we saw from before. So I would like to capitalize the C here, and you want to definitely read through all of this to make sure it's true about your product. You can also edit and change anything that you see here. We also have our key features, so Craftify has read into what makes that product really nice and broken that down into short phrases. It also has our shipping and returns policy. If you don't have one, you can just remove this here. It's not a required piece of creating your product. And now here's where we can start to tell Craftify a little bit about who our target buyer is for our product. Now what's awesome is we've already created an audience for our business, our organic cookie lover named Jamie. We can go ahead and add that audience here, and it will automatically pop in that information based off of what we've created in the past. Now, of course, if you've made other audiences in the past, you can choose specifically which audience you're trying to market to with this specific product. Now, what keywords describe your product? You can either start to enter manually all of the SEO keywords that are important to your product, or you can select a keyword set that we've already made together, add those keywords, and if you want to personalize those, you absolutely can. All right, we're going to go ahead and save this product. And from here, we're going to see it takes us to what our product looks like. If you want to come here, you can always edit your product at any time. You can edit the name or the page URL that we've been working on to create that product. And you'll see also what we can do to refine our product description, the feature list, and the product image. Going ahead and refining will just basically say we've got this product description, but if we want to create a new one, we totally can here. We can also just click next, and we can also craft a new feature list. If we want to change any of this information, we absolutely can at any time. All of the pieces to this product can be edited. You can also craft a new shipping and returns policy. We're just continuing to use what we've got. We've got our title already here, but if you want Craftify to make a new title for you, you can. I'm just going to click done. And here we're going to see that our product is ready to go to work in all of our crafts. Now, what's awesome about creating your products here and what makes it important is when we go to make an email campaign, a blog, a ad, you're going to be able to use the information specific on this product, and Craftify, without having to do much extra work, will use the context based off of this product in all of your marketing information. So we can immediately start to make an email blast based off of this new product that we've created. So stay tuned for more tutorials in the future where we will be showing you how to create all of your other crafts for your marketing based off of your products and services. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.